So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Godrej Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, take it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the speed of the fan is in auto. Right now the speed of the fan is in low. Right now the speed of the fan is in medium. Right now the speed of the fan is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your requirement. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the speed of the fan to high. The next button is swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. Next button, temp. Pressing the temp button will display the room temperature on the indoor unit's display. After that the next button is mode. The mode button has 5 functions. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode on the remote. Now the mode is cool. Now the mode is dry. Now the mode is fan. Now the mode is heat. Now the mode is auto. Now I will tell you about the modes in detail in very simple words. After that the next mode is cool. In cool mode all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. After that the next mode is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that the next mode is fan mode. In fan mode the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want the cooling of the AC. If you want to use a fan, you can use fan mode. The next mode after that is heat. Note that you can use heat mode only if your AC supports heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, you can heat your room in cold weather by using heat mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. After that the next button is turbo. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. The next function is silent. By using the silent function, the fan speed of the indoor unit will become very slow and the AC will start running absolutely silent. The next button is eco. Eco mode uses less energy than other modes. Compared to normal mode, eco mode uses less compressor capacity, which uses less energy. You can save energy and money at any time or use it to cool more effectively when it's not too hot outside, meaning you won't have to worry about high electricity bills. The next button is display. Pressing the display button will turn off your AC's display but your AC will remain on. You can use this button to turn off only the display light of the AC. The next button is sleep. The sleep mode on Godrej Air Conditioner AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode increases the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a certain period of time. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room is not too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC setting. This mode creates a cool, quiet environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button is lock. If you want to lock the remote, then press this button for 10 seconds. Then the remote of your AC will be locked, due to which all the buttons of the remote will be locked. And if you want to unlock the remote, then press this button again. The remote will be unlocked. The next button is iSense. iSense is a very good feature which is made for your comfort. Generally, there is a sensor in the indoor unit itself, which senses the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature of the place where you are sitting. If iSense function is given in some models of Godrej, then that model has two sensors. One sensor is installed in the indoor unit, and the other sensor is installed in the remote. The next button is blow. The blow function removes moisture from the indoor unit of the AC. It prevents the growth of harmful organisms like bacteria and viruses. This function keeps the AC clean and fresh for a long time. The next button is timer. By pressing the timer button, the timer off time is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically in 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours with the temperature up and down buttons of the remote. Now I have added the timer off time in the remote. Now the timer off will be set automatically. In this button you can set only timer off. If you understood the information given by me, then please like my video and subscribe my channel.